Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a new video on Jasmy. We're covering it again. There's some news we need to talk about, but apart from that, there's also, we'll be talking about the technicals. Technically, we have been very volatile, as you can see on the chart, and you'll probably know as well. The Jasmy community is a very tight one, and they know what's going on most of the time. So yeah, there's a lot to talk about. So let's just dive into the video. Before we start with Jasmy specifically, though, I do want to mention as well that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades. I'm a profitable trader, but you also gain access to my trading guide and our exclusive trading community full of traders. I think we almost have 100 people right now. So if you are interested in that, links will be down in the description or the pinned comment, or you can just head on over to cilinix.com and you'll see the premium tab right here. And you can also read more about the trading guides, what that entails and stuff, which you'll get for free with the premium guide or with the premium package. But if you're interested in that, and if you're interested in becoming a more profitable trader, check that out. But for now, on to Jasmy. So to start off with some fundamentals, I think the most important thing which we need to talk about is the introduction of Binance to Japan, which obviously, Jasmy is Japanese, and it's very Japanese, you should say. Like, a lot of their updates and a lot of their applications and products and features are very based on that market. So the introduction of Binance to Japan, and Jasmy is also one of the only, I believe, like 38 listed cryptos. It is bullish. Of course it is bullish, but I do have to say that I do think that people in Japan that are interested in crypto and in Jasmy, I do think they had other ways of purchasing it as well. All right, so it's good to get that liquidity, but I doubt that it's going to have that much price impact. And of course, it does look like Jasmy now is really solidified as a normal Binance asset as well. So that's also why we had these moves, but technically, the market structure is just bearish, and there's only so much you can do when Bitcoin is trying to get this bearish breakout, and when Bitcoin and in general the market is quite weak at this point of time. All right, so that's something we'll just have to deal with, and long term, it's 100% bullish for Jasmy. All right, that Japan is now also, or that Binance is now also in Japan and stuff. But for now, I very much doubt that it will have a lot of effect. So what we see in terms of the price now is that we, first of all, had a lot of bullish momentum last week, of course, with all of that news, but then we got rejected. The bearish market structure was validated, was respected, and we dropped down towards this support level right here. Around, I always say 0.38 cents, so that's 0.0038. That held us up, but now we're pretty close to getting a bearish breakout, all right? And I would say, like, we were able last Tuesday to actually get back up above that level after breaking down below that due to news. But right now, I would say that if we break down below this level right here, which it's hard to say, but it's 0.00378. All right, that's very specifically, but that's the main support level right now. And I would say that if we break down below that, then it's most likely that we'll drop down to 0.0365. But also down to towards that 0.00355 level. And that is what I think the most likely scenario is. And that's not necessarily because I am bearish on Jasmy long term. I don't think I am. But short term, the bearish market structure is very much validated and confirmed for Jasmy. And we're seeing a lot of bearish momentum from Bitcoin, which matters due to the correlation. So we could still... Like it's a possibility that we'll still find support here once, and that will bounce back up towards that 0.39 cents. But overall, this is what I expect. We would need to see either some very strong news from Jasmy specifically, or a very strong Bitcoin all of a sudden to prevent a move like this. All right, so that's my take on it for now. From this level down here, we might be able to start a beautiful uptrend, but until we get there, I do expect more bearish momentum. So that's my analysis and my thoughts on it for today. If you do have any questions, then as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.